On today's video, we're going to make quick starter using active dry yeast. So here I have 2 cups of brown teff flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Let's give it a quick mix. Then we're going to add warm water. And then we're going to transfer it to an airtight container and keep it in a warm spot. Excuse my voice, I'm just recovering from cold. So this is definitely for someone who's trying to learn how to make injera. I hope it's helpful. So after 24 hours, this is what it should look like. You can see the separation of liquid on top. We're going to drain off all of it. From here, you can use it right away, which I'm going to do, or you can add cold water and store in the fridge until you're ready to use. So I'm just adding the starter to the blender, and then 1 cup of barley flour, 1 cup of Costco pancake mix, then just a little bit more water. I forgot to add my fenugreek powder, but I added after, so that's totally optional, but it does give your injera a very nice flavor. Then I blend it on high for 2 minutes. I will have all the measurements in the description below, so you don't have to worry about it. Then we're just going to give it a quick mix, and then we're going to store it in a warm spot. So we'll make it tomorrow. So this is the next day. I made it late evening. This was around 5 o'clock. So I made the batter like the night before around 7, and it's around 5 o'clock. The white powder that you can see is baking soda. You don't have to use it, I just use it to wipe my grill. This is our injera. Looks very good. I'm definitely happy with the outcome. Yeah, so don't forget to save yourself starter so you don't have to make it all over again. So I saved 2 cups of the injera butter, and then I added water. I rinsed everything else that I used, and I left it outside for the night. I just want my starter to mature a bit, and then I stored it in the fridge the next day. This is our injera. It was so fluffy. It was really delicious. I hope you give it a try and let me know. Yeah, that's all for this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.